Whiteflies are tiny, sap-sucking insects that represent a colossal threat to global agriculture. Despite their minuscule size, these pests can unleash significant devastation on crops. They feed voraciously on plant juices, which weakens the plant, stunts its growth, and drastically reduces crop yields. Feast, white sluggery subzu known as honey. This residue coats leaves and stems, fostering the growth of a black, unsightly, sooty mold that interferes with the plant's ability to perform photosynthesis, further compromising its health. The life cycle of a whitefly is a rapid and relentless engine of proliferation, especially in warm climates and protected greenhouse environments. Under optimal temperatures around 86 degrees Fahrenheit, a whitefly can develop from an egg to a reproductive adult in as little as 18 days. A single female can lay between 50 to 400 eggs in her lifetime, with the majority of offspring being female, leading to exponential population growth. This rapid reproduction cycle makes them an incredibly persistent and challenging pest to manage. However, the most insidious danger posed by whiteflies is their role as vectors for devastating plant viruses. Species within the Bomycia tabocci complex, which contains at least 35 morphologically identical but genetically distinct species, are notorious for spreading diseases. They are primary carriers of viruses like the tomato yellow leaf curl virus and cotton leaf curl virus, which can decimate entire fields of essential crops such as tomatoes, cotton, cucurbits, and vegetables. This transforms them from a mere pest into a key agent in the proliferation of widespread plant pandemics, causing billions of dollars in economic losses annually. Controlling whitefly populations is a complex battle. Their high rate of reproduction and ability to quickly develop resistance to chemical insecticides make traditional pest control methods increasingly ineffective. The overuse of broad-spectrum pesticides has exacerbated the problem by eliminating natural predators and beneficial insects, leading to even stronger, more resistant whitefly populations. To counter this resilient threat, agriculture is shifting towards a more holistic and sustainable strategy. Integrated Pest Management, or IPM. This multifaceted approach provides a robust framework for controlling whiteflies while minimizing environmental impact. A cornerstone of IPM is biological control, which involves harnessing the power of nature's own defense mechanisms. This includes introducing or encouraging natural predators like parasitoid wasps, which lay their eggs inside whitefly nymphs and predatory beetles. Another powerful biological tool is the use of entomopathogenic fungi or EPF, such as Lecanocilium muscarium. These fungi infect the whitefly directly through its cuticle, growing inside the insect and causing a lethal infection, effectively reducing pest populations from within. Cultural practices are another critical component of IPM. Simple, strategic actions can disrupt the whitefly life cycle and make the environment less hospitable for them. Adequate plant spacing and enhanced air circulation reduce the still, humid conditions that whiteflies favor. Implementing crop rotation and maintaining a crop-free period can break the pest's breeding cycle. Furthermore, rigorous sanitation, such as removing infested plants and inspecting all new plant material in a quarantine area, can prevent the introduction and spread of whitefly populations. While chemical control still has a place, IPM dictates that it should be a last resort. When necessary, the focus is on using selective, targeted pesticides that have a minimal impact on non-target organisms and natural predators. This careful and considered use helps to slow the development of pesticide resistance. Looking to the future, researchers are exploring cutting-edge technologies to combat these mighty pests. Innovations like our NA interference RNAi and the development of genetically modified GM crops with inherent resistance to whiteflies show promising prospects for the next generation of pest management. In conclusion, the global health of whiteflies requires comprehensive, intelligent, and integrated approach. By combining biological, cultural, and selective chemical methods, the integrated pest management strategy offers the most effective and sustainable path forward to protect our crops, ensure food security, and mitigate the immense economic damage caused by these tiny but formidable insects.